Hey, what's up guys? So Samsung has scheduled a launch event on March 17 where the company will launch its Galaxy A series of smartphones. These phones are expected to be the Galaxy A53, A53 5G and A73 5G. We know most of the specifications of the Galaxy A53 5G and now the device has appeared on Google Play console listing confirming its key specs. Starting with the display, the Galaxy A53 5G will flaunt a Super AMOLED panel with Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. As per the previous information, it will be a 6.52-inch panel with 800 nits of peak brightness. Previous report also hinted that the Galaxy A53 5G will be powered by an Exynos SoC, and the Google listing also mentions the same. The listing confirms that the device will be powered by an octa-core Samsung SoC with S5E8825 model number. This model number belongs to either Exynos 1280 or Exynos 1200 SoC. This is a new chipset from Samsung with 2 ARM Cortex-A78 cores and 6 ARM Cortex-A55 cores. This SoC is paired with Mali G68 GPU. This is in line with what we learned from the leaks in the past. The listing also confirms 6GB of RAM. This might be the base variant with 128GB storage. Now coming to the cameras, it will feature a quad camera setup at the back. The main camera would be a 64 megapixel lens with optical image stabilization. The second camera would be a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens along with a 5 megapixel macro and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. On the front there would be a 32 megapixel selfie snapper. The device will get power from a 4500 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging support. Also, it will have IP67 rating for dust and water resistance as well as Bluetooth 5.2, dual band Wi-Fi and NFC support. Recently, the device was spotted in a retail store in Kenya along with its box packaging. The retail box carries a price tag of 45,500 Kenyan shilling, that is roughly $400. So that is all for this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.